In the ever-evolving world of compact filming gear, action cameras continue to push boundaries. The latest upcoming release from GoPro, unofficially dubbed the Hero 14, is already generating massive buzz, even before any formal announcements. This isn't just a typical year-over-year refresh. Based on what we're hearing from credible leaks and industry insiders, the Hero 14 might just set the tone for the next generation of action cinematography. Let's dive deep into what the GoPro Hero 14 could bring to the table. From groundbreaking sensor upgrades to radical new features that could transform how you shoot, edit, and share your adventures. Chapter 1. The Sensor Revolution. At the heart of every camera lies its sensor, and this time, GoPro may be making its biggest leap yet. Rumors strongly suggest that the Hero 14 will feature a newly engineered 1-inch sensor, a notable upgrade from the smaller sensors traditionally found in its predecessors. What does this mean in practical terms? Better performance in challenging lighting. Expect less noise, sharper images, and more detail in shadows and highlights. Improved dynamic range. This enables the camera to handle scenes with both bright and dark areas far more effectively, ideal for capturing sunsets, snow-covered peaks, or dim underwater worlds. Enhanced color accuracy. Thanks to the rumored new processing pipeline, footage might come out more vibrant and lifelike straight out of the camera. This single improvement alone could catapult the Hero 14 into a new tier, making it not just an action cam, but a serious tool for professional content creators. Chapter 2. Elevating resolution and frame rates. Resolution is more than a buzzword, it defines how much detail you capture. The Hero 14 is rumored to support a staggering 8K video resolution. While some may argue that 8K isn't yet standard viewing quality, its benefits are huge. Greater flexibility in post-production, zooming, cropping, reframing, future-proofing content, downscaling to 4K for ultra-crisp results. Even more exciting, the camera may offer 5.3K recording at 240 frames per second. That opens the door to buttery smooth slow-motion shots in ultra-high definition. From skateboarding tricks to crashing waves, the creative options are limitless. Chapter 3. Mastering low-light and underwater footage. Traditionally, small cameras have struggled in low-light conditions, producing grainy or blurry results. That's likely to change. The Hero 14 is expected to be optimized for low-light and underwater shooting, two scenarios where prior models faced limitations. How? Advanced sensor technology that absorbs more light. Noise reduction powered by new image processors. Special underwater color calibration to balance out blue-green cast. This makes the Hero 14 a compelling choice for divers, spelunkers, and night adventurers. Chapter 4. Audio that matches the video. Video is only half the story, audio is just as crucial. Leaks indicate that GoPro may be introducing native Bluetooth microphone support. This would be a game-changer, eliminating the need for accessories like the Media Mod just to get decent sound. Hands-free wireless mic pairing. Reduced setup complexity. Cleaner vlogs and interviews without additional gear. For solo creators and mobile journalists, this kind of integration can dramatically streamline the workflow. Chapter 5. The Power of Modularity. Another standout feature that may be coming is an interchangeable lens system. This idea, borrowed from mirrorless and DSLR cameras, would add versatility never before seen in a GoPro. Expected lens types. Telephoto, for closer shots without moving in. Wide-angle or fisheye, to capture expansive scenes. Underwater-specific lenses, optimized for clarity and color correction. If GoPro can implement this modular system in a seamless, user-friendly way, possibly even detecting the lens type and adjusting settings automatically, it could redefine what we expect from compact cameras. Chapter 6. Battery life and cold weather performance. A big gripe among users has always been limited battery life, especially in extreme temperatures. The Hero 14 might offer a substantial fix. A larger 2,000 plasma battery, optimized for longer shoots and better endurance in cold climates. More time recording, less time swapping batteries. Smoother operation in snowy or alpine conditions. Potential smart battery management system that adapts power usage based on usage patterns. Longer runtime means more freedom to explore and create without worrying about power running out mid-shot. Chapter 7. Smarter Editing and AI Assistance. Let's face it, editing hours of footage can be exhausting. GoPro seems to recognize this and is reportedly integrating AI-powered editing tools. Key features may include automatic highlight generation. The AI picks out key moments. Scene recognition, like detecting jumps, dives, or fast motion. Smart transitions and music syncing. With this, creators can cut hours of editing time and still end up with dynamic, share-ready content, ideal for social media or rapid publishing. Chapter 8. Seamless Cloud Syncing. Cloud connectivity is another area ripe for innovation. The Hero may 14th improve on GoPro's existing cloud platform with real-time uploads, remote editing via companion apps, instant social media integration. Imagine finishing a surf session and having a pre-cut highlight reel ready on your phone before your wetsuit dries. That's the level of speed and automation being promised. Chapter 9. Build quality, design, and ergonomics. Of course, all these improvements would be meaningless if the hardware couldn't keep up. Thankfully, GoPro is likely to double down on its proven strengths. Waterproof design, no need for a housing in most situations. Shock resistance. Improved touchscreen responsiveness. Better heat dissipation for those 8K sessions. We may also see refinements in grip, button layout, and menu usability based on user feedback. Chapter 10. Pricing and expected launch timeline. So what will all this cost? While nothing is official yet, early reports suggest a price point between $400 to $450, in line with prior Hero releases. That positions the Hero 14 as a premium yet accessible tool, especially if GoPro continues to offer bundles with accessories like spare batteries, mounts, and lens mods. As for release timing, September 2025 seems to be the most likely launch window, keeping with GoPro's usual annual schedule. Chapter 11. Competition and Market Impact. GoPro is not alone in this space. DJI and Insta360 are aggressive competitors, constantly pushing innovation in stabilization and immersive 360 capture. But the Hero 14, with its focus on raw image quality, modularity, and usability, seems aimed squarely at professionals and ambitious creators. If GoPro gets the execution right, the Hero 14 could reclaim the top spot in action cam innovation, bridge the gap between consumer gadget and pro camera, expand use cases to areas like documentary filmmaking, VR content, and real estate tours. Chapter 12. What users want and what could still surprise us. Based on forums, surveys, and wishlist videos, users are also hoping for improved voice control, more flexible mounting options, wider FOV modes, built-in ND filter system, smartphone-like app control with full manual overrides. And who knows, GoPro may have a surprise or two in store, such as augmented reality overlays or satellite-based geotagging.